Hey guys, hope you're all well. Good morning, Friday morning. So today we're going to be doing a very quick tutorial on Bebe Rexha, Last Hurrah. I'm getting right into my modern American music, and it's a very easy little song and will take us 5 minutes to go through. So here we go. So here we are, straight into the song. Okay, so the song basically at the beginning starts with a nice little ethereal guitar piece. With lots of reverb, and that's a G, a D, A, B minor. I'm going to stick the chords down here so you can see exactly what they look like. And then the verse, it starts off with an arpeggiated guitar sound. I think it's probably keyboards, but again, it's G, D, A, B minor, G, D, A, B minor. Then we have a little pre-chorus section, which is E minor, D, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, D, A, this is my last goodbye, and then back to the chords again, G, D, A, B minor. It's a very simple song. The only chord that should be giving you any hardship is the B minor, and I'm afraid that's just going to be you sitting down and practicing that and really going over it. You've got to get your strength in your first finger and being able to, what I suggest you do to practice a B minor is just stick your first finger across the second fret, okay, and press down hard enough that you can actually make sure that it all sounds okay. So that's Bebe Rexha and Last Hurrah. So I hope you enjoyed it. Take care guys, bye.